The Saturn. If there ever was a cocktail which was named by an astronomer or an astrologer, and if it's the latter, I should be absolutely raging at the planet Jupiter for forgetting to make more ice earlier and putting me in my overdraft. One thing I'd like to ask of all my subscribers, can you please check that you're receiving your notifications to this channel, and please let me know in a comment because it would be much appreciated, as some subscribers have not been getting their notifications, and I don't know if I've annoyed the YouTube gods or someone has been offended and grasped me up for a joke. Secondly, if you are lurking on this channel, hit the subscriber button, I don't bite. The ingredient lineup: gin, passion fruit syrup, velvet falernum, Orgeat Syrup and fresh lemon juice. We're going to kick this one off by adding 1 1/4 ounces, that's around 37.5 ml of gin, to our shaker. Follow this up with 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of passion fruit syrup. Add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of Orgeat Syrup. Then add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of velvet falernum. Lastly add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of fresh lemon juice. As it's a hot day here in the UK, I'm going to be blending this drink, but it can also be shaken. It's totally up to you how you make it. I'm going to add around 6 ounces of pebble ice, and I think I undermeasured the amount here. I'm then going to blend this for a bit. The Saturn was created at the Kona Kai bar in Huntington Beach, California by bartender Popo Galsini. It was originally named after the X-15 rocket plane in honour of the Douglas aircraft engineers who drank at the bar at the time. After a tragedy involving the X-15 rocket plane, Galsini decided to rename the cocktail the Saturn. I'm going to pour the contents of the tin into a rocks glass. Then I'm going to top this off with pebble ice, hence why I was annoyed I didn't make enough ice earlier. I'm then going to garnish with 2 lemon peels and a cherry, which are meant to be a distant representation of the planet Saturn and its ring. Taste test. This is an absolute winner. It's sweet, but it's a tiki drink after all. I could up the lemon juice by about 1/4 ounce and perhaps lower the passion fruit syrup by a little bit. One thing I will say, perhaps a stronger gin would work best rather than the Plymouth which I used in this video, but it's perfect for a hot summer's day. It's also a good drink to give to somebody who's not a big gin fan. This is a great one and I suggest you try it out.